Hey everyone, it's Nick here at Chase Detailing and Autocare, and for today's video I'm going to talk to y'all about 3 different ways you can dress your tires. First one we got is it's a paint gun. You just put your favorite tire dressing here on the top. You can use VRP, but you'd have to dilute it down a little bit. Preferably, I prefer not to use VRP in this. I prefer to use p&sshineall to use. Now, it comes in full strength. You can dilute it down if you want to, but I prefer full strength. Just pour some in here into the paint gun. And that's really great for dressing the nubbier tires, like on your trucks or SUVs. Helps out a lot. You can also use it on your engine bay too, if you need to dress that. Also use it for the exterior trim. Very versatile tool. Now you got your regular applicator pad. And then we got a little brush. The brush, it's really a lot faster than the applicator pad. The brush, yes, it also helps with like the nubbier tires. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show y'all exactly the process here. First off, let's start with the paint gun. Let's use the paint gun on this one. Let me set it. Now, look how simple this is. Simple and quick. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? It came out really nice. All right, as you can see, it does a great job of spreading it out on the tire in a quick, fast, reasonable time. A lot faster than just using your regular applicator pad. This is great for it's great for mobile detailers too. The paint gun. All right, second option is we can use the old school applicator pad. Throw a little tire dressing on there. As you can see, that's a little bit slower than using our paint gun. But I prefer using this on the smaller cars. All right, let's get to the next one. All right, so now we're going to dress this tire with the brush. Now we're going to throw our little tire dressing here on it. Now, like I said, this is great for your nubbier tires. As you can see, these tires are not too nubby, but more of the beefier tires. This does a great job. It's very fast too. Look at that. You can throw a little on the tire here, and then just go to town. Look at that. That looks great, don't it? Now, as you can see, that was a little faster than the regular applicator pad, but not as fast as the paint gun. But I love the outcome. It still does. Does a great job. Look at that. Evenly spread. Gets in the grooves right here. Really nice. It just saves a lot of time when dressing your tires. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel here at Chase Detailing and Autocare, and hey, feel free to share the video. Now, I hope y'all enjoyed these little tips I showed you today. Hey, whether you're using on your personal vehicle or your customer's vehicle, hope you really enjoyed it. I will see y'all next time.